everyone, this is Lucy and welcome to my brand new course, The Part-Time Tech YouTuber, where I help you start your journey of making tech videos on YouTube. Now, whether you're working in tech, thinking of leaving your job with the dreams of being self-employed, or simply wanting to try a new side hustle, this course is aimed at providing you with everything you need. In this course, we're going to cover topics like how to find your specific niche, how to build your YouTuber personality, and the steps to making your first few videos. I'm also going to reveal how exactly to make money through YouTube and my strategy to making over $20,000 to $30,000 a month through my YouTube channel Tech with Lucy. Last but not least, I'll be sharing a bunch of tips throughout the lessons to help you stay motivated and successfully grow your channel in the long run. A bit about myself, I run the YouTube channel Tech with Lucy, which at the time of recording has over 170,000 subscribers. I began my YouTube journey 4 years ago when I first started working at AWS. I spent 2 years making YouTube videos on the weekends while balancing my job as a solutions architect. In 2023, I ended up leaving that role to become a full-time content creator. And that was because of how much I was making on YouTube. I actually exceeded the amount I was earning at AWS. And I wanted to see how I could take the channel if I had more time to work on it. One of my favorite parts of being a tech YouTuber is definitely the freedom. I get to travel all around the world while making videos, and being able to work the hours I wanted to is a game changer. But enough about me. There's so much I have planned for you in these lessons and I can't wait for you to join me. So sit back, start watching the videos, and let's dive into what I believe will be a valuable course towards starting a new chapter in your life of being a tech YouTuber.